name is Scott McCorkle. I am the service manager at Reynolds Farm Equipment in Atlanta, Indiana.
I'm Tim Idawine with Reynolds Farm Equipment. I work in the parts department.
We're a lot of other dealers that were having issues, inventories being off, and just guys in the shop being busy and not coming up and always billing out the oil. So actually we wrote off a significant dollar amount of oil before we changed to this system. The biggest feature that sold us on the system was that when we started the beta testing on the product and we could identify which technician was pumping oil and which actual work order that the oil needed billed to.
When one of our service techs dispenses the oil and it's submitted to the web program, I'm able to pull up the web program and see which technician, the gallons that they dispensed, and what work order they dispensed on via the web program. And then I'm able to transpose that over and actually put it on our work order. When the service tech submits that, I get an email that tells me that the service tech has dispensed some oil.
We looked at the price point of the item. Once we really broke down the cost of the system versus how much we were writing off yearly on bulk oil, it wasn't even close. This was a significant money savings actually for us in just our first year. 1 year we wrote off 200 gallons of hydraulic oil, which is a huge expense to the shop. And since going to this system, we have not had any issues. Our inventory is constantly within quarts of oil, which has been fantastic. Senapse for other John Deere dealers is a no-brainer. It's been one of the best things that Reynolds has done here recently to really increase our accuracy and also make us a better John Deere dealer.
Don't think about it, do it.